Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on 1 inch token. The price line of 1 inch is moving above the support of $2 for the long time period. We can see that the price line is not breaking down this support. And above this support, it is also forming the different harmonic moves as well. Like previously, I shared this harmonic move that was a very big bullish reversal harmonic shark move that was formed on the weekly time frame chart, and I shared this chart on 22nd of May for my members at the Patreon. And by the way, I'm also sharing different trading ideas here for my members at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description you can find there. Now, first of all, let me to show you this harmonic move, then I'll take you to the current harmonic move. And by the way, this time it has again formed another harmonic bullish reversal shark move. This was the previous leg, and this is the current leg of the shark move. Now, if I play this chart, first of all, let me to open this chart, then I'll show you how the price line behaved after posting this chart. You can see at that time it was moving at $3. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that it reversed bullish from here. And after getting this reversal, the price line rallied up to $7.73. That is more than 100% rally, and again moved down. And while moving down, it has completed another harmonic bullish reversal shark move on the same weekly time frame chart. And this is the chart that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 15th of December. By the way, this is not the shark move. This is a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that the price line has completed. Now here you can observe that the potential reversal zone of this cipher is quite wide. Therefore, I found a support here that is $2, very strong support. Therefore, I told my members that we can set a risk stop loss below this support. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line is still moving in this potential reversal zone. And if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, this is the current cipher pattern, then we are still above this $2 support level. Now, if we switch to the daily time from here, then we can see that here on the daily time frame chart, price line has a resistance. This is the resistance, and I have connected all these candlesticks. Then you can see that recently price line has broken out this resistance. And by the way, this is the formation of the down channel. And after breaking out this resistance, the price line is testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And from here, we can expect a reversal move. For example, if the price line will be moved down back inside this channel, then it can again test this $2 support and it can reverse bullish. However, I'm expecting that after this retest, we can expect a reversal move. Now, after this reversal move, we can set a risk. We can follow these sell targets that I have shared with you according to this harmonic reversal cipher move that is from $3.35 and $4.43. Like previously, we were following the shark moves target in the month of May. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.